Unboxing brushless cordless pruning chainsaw. Holder. Chain. Spanner and screwdriver. Integrated guide plate. Construction bag. Chain oil. How to assemble a chainsaw in simple steps. Remove the screw. Remove the cover. Take out the guide plate and install the chain. Remember, the arrow on the chainsaw teeth must point to the right side. Install the guide plate and chain into the machine. Ensure the screw fits into the hole. Use a spanner to tighten the screws. Close the cover. Screw the cover back on. Adjust the chain so it's slightly tight, but not too tight. Once adjusted, tighten the screws. Install the holder. Before use, remember to add chain oil. Install the battery. Press both buttons to operate successfully. Cut smarter, not harder. Please like and share this video. Thank you.